Yo, what's good, everyone? This your boy P.Marshin back at it again doing another video. And I know I've been gone for a while, been a little hiatus, but I'm back. Okay, so today we're gonna be doing a custom to these Foamposites right here. I'm gonna be doing Northern Light custom to. So let's go ahead. So the first step is to prep the shoe, which is going to be, you can use acetone or rubber alcohol, whatever you want to use to prep the shoe, but pretty much wipe down the whole entire shoe to remove all the finish off the shoe itself. Then that's when you start to remove all the factory finish. And once you do that, then that's when you start applying your adhesive promoter. With mine, I do 2 to 3 layers of adhesive promoter. First thing I start doing is adding on the yellow. Add a couple layers to that bad boy. I don't really care. As you can see right here, I didn't do much tape downs, masking, pretty much because the whole entire shoe is gonna get painted. Plus the sole's gonna be black and the upper's gonna be black, so I wasn't really stressing about too much masking or anything like that. Alright, so once you get done applying the yellow, that's when I start adding on the green. Pretty much I start applying green all across the shoe, any spots I feel like, this type of shoe, this type of custom in general is like more of a, there's no wrong to it, honestly. There's no wrong to it. So once you get done applying your green, that's when I start applying my blue. I use Angelus blue. pretty much all the colors I'm be using will be provided by Angelus. They actually have the greatest paint for it. Last but not least, I started applying the black. With this part right here, I just like I said, this whole entire shoe is just it's more like a freestyle type of shoe, honestly. Like, you really can't go wrong with doing these type of customs. But you know. But like I was saying, I really would appreciate it if you guys would go ahead and hit that bell notification button. I will also subscribe, give me a thumbs up, drop a comment, and share my video. More interactions I get my video, more that YouTube will push my videos so other people can see it, and this is going to be beneficial.